they watch this second one, they're gonna be like, oh, they're gonna be so touched
because we're bringing something new to this concert for sure. That's something that we promise also ourselves. Kasi kahit kami ayaw din namin ng paulit-ulit yung mga pina-perform namin. Sometimes we also, it's not always that we're happy that we're performing the same songs.
Yeah.
But we're making sure talaga na this one is a new experience in itself. Kasi kahit kami, even maybe I don't know if you guys are, like tired of some songs repeating over and over again being performed,
which is valid.
Yeah, which is valid. Like it's not a bad thing to have that thought. Kasi kahit kami as artists na may ganung kanta,
right?
It's like burnout, but for our ears. Kasi imagine, practice na before i-release, like not just hundreds of times.
Yeah, before we actually release the song, we've probably heard it like hundreds of times.
Yeah, that's why it's kind of hard for us to stream with you guys. It's like I'm kind of tired of this song. Maybe let's listen to another song for the day.
Yeah.
So ayun yung feeling ko, yun yung goal namin for this concert is to really bring almost everything, 99% everything new. Grabe, tingnan mo, ngayon may nag-sit ups, so buka mo may makikita kayong mga bagay na.
Can we show it?
Maybe we should show it. Exposed. Oh. Nag-iyak na siya.
Sorry.
Yung stand natin. Okay, wait lang.
Kind of gearing up.
Yeah, we're kanya-kanyang pag-gear up para sa concert. That's why we're excited kasi I know like a lot of we don't have that much new songs right now that are out, but
right now that are about. Hey, the article came out today.
Yeah, not just the article,
the announcement.
The thing. I didn't know it was gonna come out yesterday. It was just like,
oh right,
it was just there.
Right,
it was just there.
Like, what?
I was like, it's out.
Because I thought
kasi sabi nila parang
they kind of leaked our little dance practice.
Yeah, they didn't.
Which was
us. Just kidding.
we were just as surprised as everyone else, basically.
Kasi nakita na lang namin naka-upload na yung kasi pinapakita namin yung mga dance namin. Syempre to the higher ups para malaman nila kung ano yung nangyayari.
Yeah.
So I don't know, I thought it was just gonna be like that. Then I saw it was already online.
Right.
And I think it got good traction. I mean, the anchors are liking it. Do you guys like it? Do you guys
like it? Because did you guys see Kuya Vinci's
No. Good thing the one they posted was the part that
the angle, right? The camera angle.
The angle.
Didn't see your abs.
The angle, nah, that doesn't exist. It helped. Nakisama
yung camera angle.
Camera angle. But, thank you so much.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys saw na, pero na-announce na talaga article that we are going to release
I think it's official na talaga.
Official album, really which we have been trying to cover up actually for quite
the longest
some time.
I mean, Giro has always been, spoiling it.
Yeah.
He's already sa Billboard, di ba?
Yeah,
Billboard. When Billboard was, I was like, oh, there he goes. There he goes.
Yeah. So, but yeah, it is true. We will be releasing an album.
Uy, pakita mo muna yung butata mo! Kasi nag-replace
okay, ready?
Kuya Pablo.
Okay, from the top. 5, 6, 7, butata! Hey! Yeah! Ano man ang respeto. Butata! Panis! Butata!
Wala nangyari. Grabe yung kilikili mo dun, ha? Like, slay. It was a slay. I was surprised.
TMI. Whose sando was that?
It's Vince's sando.
Of course it was mine.
Yeah.
He doesn't own any sandos.
Yeah,
I was the...
No, I own.
Okay, this is actually mine too.
Yeah, because like all of my clothes are in the laundry right now, so yeah.
Tamad ka lang maglaba.
Kaya nga naglaba ako ngayon
Ay, ito na yung time ulit na nag-freeze yung mga damit natin, di ba? Remember? Sa dati nating door. Pag-uwi namin, kasi first, di ba, last year, it was our first year sa Korea. So, first time, except ikaw, na mag-winter. Eh, syempre, feeling ko ikaw din, hindi ka naman naglabas siguro dati.
100%.
So, when we went home, our clothes were iced up.
It was
Para siyang
literally
freezer.
like when you touch it, like
Hard
nagiginaw talaga.
Hard
Kaya
talaga.
Ako din yung binoblower ko na lang din.
Binoblower mo?
Diba?
Oh my God.
Pero ngayon,
Kaya
buti-
pala yung ano natin, kuryente natin, pre, ano eh.
to the roof.
Through the roof na.
Pero
Kailangan-
ngayon meron na tayong heater.
Yeah.
Which was good.
May heater, tapos staying here. And yes, he is. He's here.
But in a really good way.
Yeah,
In a really the best way.
Yeah, in a fun way, because you get to also be with other people.
For sure, right? So do not worry, guys.
Yeah,
I'm
he's
still
not leaving.
a Horizon member.
Because people are really curious that you're gonna like. They really thought you were gonna leave. I'm like, did anyone
Not
say you
work.
were gonna leave? Because I didn't think so. I don't think there was anything that's said anywhere that you were going to leave. Yeah, but they were thinking that. So I was like worried because
So,
what if
do
they
not
think
worry.
we're gonna end? No.
Horizon is forever.
Horizon is 7 and it's in the spelling, so it wouldn't
So
make sense.
If we become 6 members,
yeah, it's
that's
just not
gonna
gonna
be
make sense.
awkward.
It's
So
not gonna make sense.
let's not do that.
It's not gonna be Horizon anymore then. It's gonna be
It's
another
just
name.
horrific.
It's gonna be, what are the other names they had in mind?
Between
Dream
7.
Yeah, Dream 7.
Chaser.
Oh, Dream 6 in this
Dream
case,
6,
yeah.
Chaser. Oh, is that a thing? Chaser. Chase.
Maybe.
Chase Atlantic.
I think there's something connected to dreams then.
Hmm.
Kum Kunda.
Hulaan nyo kung ano to.
Yoga mat.
Magyo-yoga
wala
kasi.
niya, ano to?
Magyo-yoga kasi.
Ay, yan na sila.
Ano, wala na to.
Sila na
Pero
yun.
ikwento kaya natin na nagsinungaling si Stud.
Ano
yung ganun, pre? Sa nahuli sila.
Ay,
Nahuli sila.
Lalaglag ba?
Ay,
Nahuli sila. Wala na, private.
Lumabas kasi sila.
Tumakas kasi kami.
Tumakas sila papunta lang sa
What's up with this?
kainan sa restaurant.
Siyempre nagutom.
Tapos sinabi nila pumunta sila sa convenience store kahit restaurant naman din.
Ayun eh.
Uy, ikaw yung nakaisip mo, hindi na ako nagsalita. Hindi na ako nagsalita, ikaw na yun.
masama, ikaw ang mabuti.
Grabe may lines.
Siya
Hello,
yung ano,
guys.
sabi mo na, sabi niya, hindi. Wala.
Yan, that's the, that's
This
the
is
life.
our life.
This is the life of Horizon. The life of a Filipino idol in South Korea.
Marcus, anong uniform?
Kasi tumaas yung shadow. You know, weird.
Tumaas yung shadow.
Ayun!
Wow, okay, fixed it.
Okay.
Guys, wear whatever you want, but since it's day to our anchor
Hi,
high,
it's
this is like, you know, we're classmates, so we should wear school uniform or anything related to school.
yeah. Like if you
Or
wanna
just,
be a principal, you wanna be a
wear a
teacher,
tie, just something like a coat.
you wanna be ano pa ba laman sa school? You wanna be a student council?
You can be a pencil. if you want.
Yeah, a pencil is nice.
Yeah, just
Have you
dress-
tried being a pencil before?
I've not actually.
It's fire. Like
Sounds
imagine
interesting though.
imagine having lead at the front.
want to be
Right?
And then you get renewed every
imagine
day.
we have this segment where we actually call anchors up to stage,
Yeah.
and then there's just a pencil on
Yeah,
stage.
like a
that.
pencil on stage, and you're gonna be there. And you're gonna stay there
Yes.
forever.
Did we accidentally pin? Oh, we did.
Oh yeah,
not
we
pin.
because we asked someone.
Ah.
So, okay, let's not read first. Let's click and then answer.
Okay. What are they doing in the back?
Okay, this one's easy. Fave food ng Horizon.
Cheese tonkatsu.
Exactly.
That is something.
Yun yung, ito, sasabihin na namin, it's the password of our Wi-Fi.
It is the password of our Wi-Fi.
It's the password of
So
our
if
Wi-Fi.
you manage to break into our dorm,
Yeah, which don't do that.
please do not.
Hajima sa'yo. Hajima.
Please do not. It's a very hypothetical situation.
Yep.
Which
We're not suggesting
we
it.
We're not.
It's not
yes.
good. Do not do
It's,
that.
You
Do
know the
not.
password. You know.
You're gonna know the password of the Wi-Fi only.
Only the
not
Wi-Fi.
of the whole thing.
Not the dorm itself.
Yeah.
We're not gonna tell you the password of our dorm
We're
because
not.
for privacy and
Yep.
security. ML account reveal.
ML account.
Is that even? I don't think that's. I'll show you like.
Guys, do you...
Not too.
MLD ID reveal. Ay, hindi pala.
MLD ID reveal.
We don't have MLD IDs.
This is my ID, Mike Wazowski.
One eye lang.
What
Hindi nagre-read yung ano. Ano pa? May nakakatakot bang part
Sa
sa
concert?
concert?
Ye-
Nakakatakot.
Kapag lumabas si Kim.
Grabe! Iyak na siya!
Si Jerome. Lagi ako inaaway ni Jiro. Ang first. Fight
Guys, ang haba na ng buhok ko.
Fight for my
Okay lang yan.
Gusto nyo guys, gusto ko sana magpagupit eh.
Guys, dun daw sa
Kaso,
concert, magdala daw kayo ng
undercut gusto ko.
shaver.
Yes, ng
Tas-
gunting.
Ng gunting or shaver.
Gusto ko magpa-undercut
magpapakalbo ka na,
guys.
no? Sa concert.
Kalbo?
Oo. Skinhead.
Ayoko.
Or fade.
I don't want that.
Pero ang kapalit daw sold out daw.
Oh.
Bro, palag. Palag. Guys, pag na-sold out yung ticket,
Ganun sa na.
ticket,
Kami, magkakalbo kami lahat.
magpapakalbo ko. Magpapakalbo ko, seryoso.
Nang nose
Chincha,
hair.
chincha.
Nang nose
I'm
hair.
going to
guys.
bald my hair
You're going to bald
if the tickets are sold out, bro.
Ako magbabald ako sa sobrang tuwa siguro. Pero hindi
Yes.
kasi nabuto. Okay. Okay, how do I... Oh, here. Oh, okay. Lang. Close, no?
Saan ka makakakita ng idol na
already 9:05.
magpapakalbo sa concert?
Oh,
Exactly.
exactly. It's
Where you
the
ever gonna see that?
Only in Dame
Only, okay, we're probably not gonna do that, but...
Lu.
Hello! Jeremy Melendres joined! Hello!
Sino yun?
Yung sa Horizon?
Di ba singer siya?
Wala, sino yun? Kasama,
Tsaka
idol daw
dancer.
yun.
Magaling daw siya sumayaw, guys.
I can relate.
Parang ngayon nakita ko ngayong kilikili niya.
I'm a singer.
Yung sa butata.
Bakit mo lagi inano yung kilikili niya?
Nino.
Nung ni
May armpit, ano yan?
Wala lang.
Fetish.
Armpit fetish.
No, I don't!
Huwag ka nang magpalungan.
Why do you sound like soundboards? You just have like... if I press a button, you're gonna be like, wag ka na magpaliwanag. Wag ka na magpaliwanag. They have lines, bro. They are AI. They are ChatGPT.
ChatGPT mode.
Gusto ko makausap si ChatGPT in Konyo. Parang maangas.
Diba?
Nakita ko online. Like, yo. Did you eat
Umurong
some
luha ko nung
egg waffles?
na-notice ni Marcus.
Oh, let's test your Konyo levels. Do you know egg waffles? What was
Yes.
it? The orange... What's the...
Egg waffle.
Hindi ko yun.
Egg waffle.
Was it the orange waffle?
The orange circles?
Oh my gosh, so you waffles?
Are they not egg waffles?
I mean, there's no
So,
waffles.
that's the
I
egg
don't know. I don't know
waffles.
the egg waffle.
Egg
Egg
that's what
waffles?
they
I've
call
tried
it.
actual egg waffles. They're really-
Hugo.
They're like waffles, and like, you know how
Wait, talk
waffles
about-
are like square-ish shapes inside?
Yeah.
Instead, it's circle.
Oh.
And I don't even know if it's actual egg. It's not egg. It's just that it's circle. They called it an egg waffle. 'cause-
Oh, but it's not...
Yeah, but it's just a regular waffle.
Balot masarap.
Based on the one that I actually tried.
Fave drink,
Balot
you guys.
with
We have...
dinosaur feet.
I actually have it on my
Dinosaur
phone
food.
because whenever they... this is my phone.
That's your phone.
But it is... Okay, let me do this. You like an iced white choco drink.
Right.
Am I right?
Right.
I'm right.
Wait,
You...
what are we talking about again?
The fave drinks.
Oh, fave drinks.
Someone asked
right,
fave drinks.
right, right.
Your
Right.
fave drink?
Matcha.
I'm gonna get it. Ulaan ko nga eh. Pero yun yung sasabihin ko.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
okay.
Ikaw, Java chip.
Wow.
Oh.
How did you...
Ikaw, ice white choco din.
No.
Oh.
No!
No.
Yun yung nilagay ko, wala ka nang magagawa.
No.
Choco.
No.
So what is it?
Strawberry.
Strawberry?
I mean, that's his
Dairy.
second option.
Dairy
That's their
latte.
second
That's
Dairy.
option.
our
Latte.
second option. But like,
But,
start
Oh no!
in
Now is
like
ano?
any coffee brand.
Choco. Vanilla. Ano?
tinan mo, hindi mo nga alam eh. Mas alam ko pa.
Diba?
Raster, iced americano. Simple.
Si Kim.
And
Si Kim Boo.
Kim
Ice
pomegranate.
Americ. Oh.
Ano sa
That's pomegranate.
Recommend any hero in Mobile Legends. I will do a main. Ling. And I want it to be like where it flies and then that has to be like the way to get a maniac. Anyway,
My hair is so bad. Oh my god.
guys, if we reach 1,000 views, we're gonna do something. I don't know.
We're gonna sing for you guys.
Okay, we'll sing for you. No, like we'll actually sing for you guys.
We can sing for you guys.
Yes, the duo. We are the
We are the Marchi.
March.
March.
Even though it's October.
We're gonna make it feel like March.
Oh yeah, what is our duo name? Are we just?
It's March.
Is it? This is it.
It's Vincus. No, that's not good. Vincus
Vincus.
sounds like a bad word.
Vincus.
I'm a Vincus.
I'm the victim. I'm the Vincus.
I'm the victim.
You're the Vincus.
Oh, Konyo duo.
Oh,
Well, not really Konyo.
But sometimes you can actually.
I can
You
do
are
it
actually.
if someone.
No, but like not even forced. Like sometimes you actually
Yeah,
are
sometimes.
kind of con.
Kasi feeling ko mas madali din i-explain. Hindi,
Like in
Taglish.
English.
Pero hindi naman ako Konyo. I'm down with the Taglish.
Yeah, honestly, me too. I think it's come to the point that I'm also.
Your sister though.
Oh, my sister.
She's Konyo, right?
Yeah, I would think I would.
Konyo.
Yeah, she's good at Tagalog, but if you actually hear her speak Taglish,
Maybe with her friend.
yeah, with her friends, like, do you want to grab dito?
Ah,
Stuff
yeah.
like-
That's the real Konyo.
Yeah, that's like.
Because
the
we do
Taglish.
Taglish.
Yeah,
we don't do
Taglish.
Konyo naman.
Ate, I love you. If you're watching this, there's no problem with that.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. You're beautiful.
We love Konyo.
Yes.
And the non-Konyos. And the non-Konyos.
And the non-Konyos as well.
Yeah.
Oh, Yapper duo. We are the Yapper
Oh,
duo.
but yeah, I like that.
We are the Yapper duo.
We love yapping. Because look at us talking so much when there's someone in the center. Just being like,
Yeah, just existing.
tapos kami, dadala kami ng dada. Pero siya, oh my God. Ay, nahulog-tulog. Siya nakaganon kami. Dada. Yep, that's really
You are, right?
You know,
Oh, really? Okay.
I mean, siguro yung sister ko nga. But kami nung younger na, we just speak in Tagalog.
Tagalog.
But yeah, if someone was to point a weapon
Paano ba
at
maging
us,
konyo? Hindi ako, paano ba?
Yeah, ano?
basta you have to.
Yeah, can you say, hey kuya, can I have that quick?
Yeah.
Like that.
Hey kuya, can I have that quick?
Magkano po yan, kuya?
Ba't Tagalog hindi sanay?
Ito, hindi lang yun, pero sasabihin mo talaga, let's make tawid-tawid to the other side.
Okay,
Ang sabi-
let's make tawid-tawid to the other side.
Yeah. But if it's in Taglish, sasabihin mo
To the
lang,
other side.
tawid tayo sa highway. Tawid
Let's
tayo
make-
sa road.
Let's
Like,
to it.
kumbaga,
Pero pag Konyo, as in parang,
Hey kuya,
it's
magkano
like,
yung
shortcut niya, parang-
biglang what? There's a Tagalog there?
Magkano yung trans me? Pero mahirap na actually ngayon.
Yeah, it is hard.
Yeah, it's very. Well, I saw this TikTok like, kuya, like it's the only thing I remember.
guys,
What was it?
Like it's
It was
like
just kuya?
James Reid and Coco Martin.
magugulat
It's like an
kayo.
actual movie
It's like
line?
yeah, it's like he's like,
Ah.
kuya, why are you ignoring me, kuya?
Ah.
Ba't mo alam mo kung ba't di kita pinapansin? Kasi English ka ng English. Di kita maintindihan.
Hindi napanood din akong Coco Martin kagabi.
Yeah.
Pati sila ni Tony Gonzaga. Yung social media. And Coco Martin was like, social media. Like, social media. Social media. No, kahit i-break over mo pa yan, hindi mo matatawa. Tawan-tawa ako kagabi. Habang nag-skincare ako, naka-loop lang yung TikTok.
Yes, kumain na po kami.
Ako guys, kinain ko lang is
What did you eat?
1 cup of coffee and
Wow.
they
Chocolate.
They call it
Chocolate.
Yeah,
Chocolate.
chocolate punk. It's bread, bro.
Oh, someone said they're learning Filipino for you, Kylan. Teach them a Filipino word that you think they don't know. Like,
Okay. Said, sabihin nyo guys, mahal ko kayo.
mahal ko kayo means I love you.
I love
Why
you.
did I stutter?
I love you all, right? Maybe.
Oh yeah. Mahal ko kayong lahat. Yeah. Why did I stutter when I said that? Parang tuloy hindi ako Pinoy. Hindi, Pinoy.
Tapos, ano ba ba? Maging magkaibigan tayo.
Let's be friends. Maging magkaibigan tayo. Slowly.
Maging magkaibigan tayo.
Let's be friends.
Like, 친구.
우리 친구하자.
친구하자.
Maybe.
Ano pa ba?
Kaya nga, ayaw niya nga umupo eh. Umupo ka daw, Kylie. Ito. If you want. Asan po si Jeremy? Jeremy and Winston are wrestling right now. Actually, ano na namin, tapos na yung rehearsals namin. So, nag-chill-chill lang kami. And gusto naming just, update you guys about the month away concert. Kahit masungit kayo sa BGC, idol ko pa din kayo.
BGC?
BGC?
What you
Baka dun sa
BGC.
Samsung event?
Maybe.
Mas sunod ba tayo dun sa Samsung event?
I don't think so. I think we were very friendly.
BGC.
Bumunta lang ako doon pero family ko yung kasama ko. Horror stories. Uy, Kim, nga pala kasi...
Okay, I'll be the referee.
Ganyan sila, guys.
Stop it! Saojima.
Kapoy daw, kapoy. Pagod na daw, pagod. Kapoy Manoy. Kami guys, kapoy na kaayo. For preparing our concert. Kapoy, sobrang kapoy. Kapoy means pagod. Kasi dahil sa preparation.
Part of their workout.
Yeah.
Wrestling. Rayster is sitting like this right now.
Rayster is practicing
Something. Guys, do you want us?
Do you want?
What if this is theoretical? What if we would have subunit stages? Who would you guys want to see match up together? Do you guys suggestions? Because we can. Is that cheese clean? It is.
P-pop
Masay.
din. Sa'yo, Vinci, P-pop or ano talaga? Yung gusto mo.
Naalin.
Makapagsama natin.
Kahit ano. Siyempre. Basta.
Pero sino yung gusto nyo, guys? Or maghula na kayo? Feel ko meron na eh.
2K daw!
Feel ko meron na.
Girl,
Vinster? That's Vinci and Rayster, right? That's Kimster is Kim and Rayster. Oh, they're giving. So nagtatanong kasi ako kung ano yung mga subunit nilang gustong makita sa concert. So lots are saying about Kim and Rayster. There's Vinci and Rayster. Oh, Rayster ah. Yung iba. 2K. There's 2K as well.
yung line daw.
09s.
Oh, nice.
Let's go. Bang Niloy! Bang Niloy, opte!
Ano daw sa inyo?
Ano? Wrestling.
Wrestling.
Oh, magre-wrestling
For concert.
sila, dalawa. Tapos yung isa referee.
Who's daw? Sabi.
Puro Rister ah. Kimchi, Kim and Vinci. 09s. Kimchi as well. Okay, we will write them down. Isulat mo na lang. Yin Yang Duo. That's all right.
Yeah, that's us.
Please, kalma. Totoro. That's
Me and
Jiro and
Gatolo.
Rister.
Racer.
V's. Oh, V's. Kala ko V'ster. So, 09s. Oh. 09s.
Oh, nice.
Gaki mo na.
Tokiji?
That's me
That's
and
you and
Kuya Kyle.
Kaya pala to.
G. That's akala ko si Jiro.
Yeah.
Ako din nung una.
Okay. Wait, ano yung pangalan pag si Winston?
Winster.
Oh, ano, parang walang Winster. Like that, that sounds weird.
Wala
Winster? That sounds kind of weird. Sounds like a drink.
Meron to.
Like, I want a Winster.
Give me a bottle of Winster.
Give me a Winster melon. Bermuda Triangle. Vinci and Winston. Oh. Someone says Gento. We did Gento in our first concert.
Yeah.
Titignan ko.
May ginagawa nga si
Kingston.
Kingston. Ano, what's your thoughts, Rayster, sa... Punta ka dito. Paliwa. What's your thoughts on Winster? Because that's the first time I've heard of that.
Winter.
Hindi, anong thoughts mo? Like,
Malamig.
is it a yay or a nay?
Winster, malamig.
Parang ayaw niya.
Anong malamig?
Pwede naman, pero kailangan kang bayaran.
Mm-mm.
Magkano para bayaran ka?
1 million.
Wow.
10,000.
Amazing.
Barda Duo, who's that?
Kyler and me.
Kami.
Kasi lagi nga silang saw, keso.
Sausa.
Balagbag?
Balagbag.
Si Ian Veneras.
Hala, oo.
Alam mo yun, nagsiguro.
Nakita ko yun na.
I keep seeing clips of him doing like,
Papa-picture tapos.
yeah. Like example, I'm an anchor and you're Ian Veneracion. You would just lift me and like turn me around. Babalik na rin mo. Nakita ko yung clips. Ang funny. Ayoko mabalik.
Gagawin.
Baka sumakit yung chan ko.
Parang katulad nung kay Gia.
We can do that. Ay, di ba kaya mo siya? Kay! Wait! Balik na rin mo si Winston. Pakita natin. Okay, Ian Veneracion. Si... Oh my God!
Dapat yung ano yun, babalik ka rin.
Oo nga, go! Wait, gusto niyo ba isa? One more? Dapat makisama ka.
1, 2, 3, go.
Wow!
Pero ang sakit na kalmutan kay Gia.
Ouch!
Bakla. Ang galing ni Gia.
Stroller duo?
So strong.
Who is Stroller duo?
I don't know.
Baka
Kaichi!
Kaichi. Vinci.
Parang lychee. Cup duo. Ooh.
Duo?
Because we wearing cap. I actually have the same cap. But like bigger letters.
Pareho tayo.
Kyler, do it.
Depunim.
Gusto daw nila ng Kyler Depunim do it. Oh my God, I like that idea. I'm going to write that down. And I'm gonna be like, Depunim. 우리 앵커들. They want to see you on stage with Kyler. Actually, the visuals are on par.
Yeah.
Like, it's there. But who's taller? Depunim, right?
Depunim.
Depunim is so tall. He's so tall.
대표님 너무 잘생겼어요.
맞아.
우리 덕.
Yeah! Play.
Ang galing. Dito ka rin.
So Vinci, Vinci and Kyler, please do AI.
AI mo.
AI hug through. Nahug yung...
No, bro. Hell no.
Why? Let's do
Like-
it now.
like-
Aak nyo lang na parang yan.
Why are you so weird about it?
Yeah, I saw it on.
Oh my gosh, what? We were so
TK.
believable. Let's do it again. Wait, we're
Like-
so believable. Wait, what? We're so good. Bro, we can get away with it. We can get away with it. We can be like, we're not real.
I think there's one.
Maglagay tayo ng filter para mas mukhang totoo.
Eh.
Wait.
Wow.
Kayo naman para magbati na kayo. Kayo naman yung mag-AI hug.
Wala.
Go! Parang hindi eh. Parang sinacting na.
Hindi naman kasi may mga ibang AI na gumagano lang eh.
Smooth lang. Okay, alam ko marami akong nakita gusto nila O9. So O9's AI hug. O9's AI hug. Okay, ito. Wait, ready. Okay. Okay, you can do the first part.
가지 말라고 널 불러보지만 이 비가 다시 그치고 나면 이대로 널 잊을 수 있을까 보고 싶었어 네가 오기만을 기다릴 텐데 비가 와 그리워 또 그리워 네가 와 꿈은 뜨거웠어 내게 돌아오려고 널 사랑한다고 It's rainy day
Good. Are you guys ready
For the next challenge.
for the next battle?
I need water too.
Which one do you want to do first?
You can go. Choose one and I'll be back and we will die.
Okay.
Pala. Sumayaw mo ng drop version.
That'd be cool.
We're just gonna do one song and we're gonna end the live.
Okay, that sounds good.
So let's just do one
Do you want
last
to do this one?
Oh, I'm fine with that. Isn't that?
Yeah. I think I forgot how it goes. Okay, but it's okay. Okay. You know what I'm scared of? Is we're gonna get copyright striked. So.
Really? I don't think so because it's an instrumental.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I don't think so. Why? Some water? Birds of a feather? Stand up. I haven't tried that. Hey.
I'll sing it first.
See what you wanna see, but all I see is
good.
That was nice. I like that.
I like that one.
I like that. I
Yeah.
like that. I
That's
like that.
nice. I hope you guys liked it.
Yeah, it was so nice. Blending.
Yeah, that was
With
like
you
the
guys.
first nice. Anyway, everyone sleep well.
Sleep well, prepare well for the month ahead, and don't forget to enroll. Don't forget to enroll.
Correct.
And it doesn't matter if you're gonna enroll a day before, a week before, on the day itself. That's possible, right?
I think so. I hope.
Or maybe now. You want it now, you want it later. Anytime from today until November 3, get enrolled. Get enrolled, get involved, and go to Day Tour Anchor High.
Correct.
Good night.
Night, guys.
Thank you. See you soon. See you soon. Ay! Gusto niyo ba mag-bye? Gusto niyo ba makita? Okay. Mag-screenshot muna tayo.
There's like only 4 of us left.
Oh yeah. Because some are doing their own stuff, practicing as well. So let's... Yeah, Racer can do that. Racer! Break! Screenshot! Screenshot!
아쉬워. Couldn't hear us properly
진짜?
because the music was too high.
Should we do another one?
I think we should do one last after a screenshot. We'll do one last.
Okay. They're like, okay, let's go
Okay,
back.
no. We
Screenshot.
screenshot.
Oh yeah, we still need screenshot. And then after the last song,
We end it.
we end it. Let's do...
Can we do heart? Is it
Oh yeah,
possible?
I think so. Wow! And let's do 11-3.
11-3.
November 3rd.
Ah, you're right.
Oh wow, that's amazing. We can do
Whoa,
this.
I just realized. Good job.
November 3.
Guys, we'll sing one last.
One last?
Because
'Cause they
it's-
couldn't hear it?
Because they couldn't hear it.
Talaga ba? Or
properly.
are they tripping?
I don't know. I just saw one comment that said, sayang ang lakas daw ng audio of the song.
But it's true. The music is too loud.
Oh, you heard it?
Alright. Well, you open your iPad. Let's do this one last time.
What? Ano ba? It's hard. It's hard to find the last song. Do you want some chapel round? It's
Let's
hard.
see.
July. Oh, do you know All I Want?
No.
You don't.
We can do another Billie Eilish song.
Which one?
The I Don't Wanna Be You Anymore.
Okay.
You know that one?
Okay. I'm scared.
Okay, wait. Let's see.
This one? I'm scared.
I think this one. But we have to check the audio first.
Okay.
Which this is fine.